As you can see, the weather is still very hot, clear and very, very dry. That's supposed to be grass, look. First stop, Hartshill Hayes. Well, hello, it's John Neal here. It is Friday, what we're on, 24th of July 2026. And today, yeah, I'm going on another bike ride, as you can see. But I need to have a look at a particular track that goes through the woods over here. It was marked on my commute route, and I didn't know this track exists, but it is marked. I'll show you. This is Monk's Park Wood, just southwest of Atherstone, and this is the track I'm having a look at. I'm going to this point first, but it wasn't a way through, so round the road and along the track from the other end. There's a heavy green dashed line, which means it's not just a footpath, but a sort of a bridleway and more of a substantial pathway than just a footpath. And it's down over here and it goes across Bentley woods. I came across that wood on a path that I know about from the Coleshill Road over to Ridge Lane. I've done that, I know that's there, but I'm just going to check out this other one and see how that makes out to be a path or not, or a track or a farmyard track, I don't know. Well, let's have a look, and it's over that way. But first I thought we'd come to Hartshill Hayes, where you know I am now, and one thing you don't see here when you just walk around, you can't see what's over these hedges, because there's some pretty big holes and quarries down this way. Let's have a look. Right, Albury Road. I'm heading off towards Ridge Lane. So I'm going along the road here at the top of Hartshill Hayes on this ridge. And you've seen out one way, which is towards the north, and this side is to the south. And yeah, so you can see over to the south this way. Oh, it's another view, look. What a car, what's going on? Right, set me power assistance down to number 1. Yeah, over to Ridge Lane. So I'll go along this way as I usually go, and it's a beautiful route, smashing. And the trees and the sunshine. Oh, you can't beat it, can you? You cannot beat it. It's like being in another world. I'm going to say it's a bit like being underwater, which sounds a bit daft, but I know what I mean. Going up towards Ridge Lane, turning right, and then see if we can find this path. I'm not too sure about it, you know. So I've got an escape route organised as well. Well, according to the map, it's just round the corner. It's a big wood too. It's not only beautiful, but it's a big wood. Well, I guess this is it. Some sort of footpath sign, and here it is. It's lying on the floor. There you go. That's a bit more hopeful anyway. Now apparently it winds around and goes down this hill, so well, let's explore. Well, it looks like I'm on the right route, and there's been forestry traffic down here, some big vehicles, so I'll see if I can ride as well, and yeah, see where this takes me. No, I've gone off track already. Well, instead of going down there, I should be going more that way, and according to the map, downhill, which is down there. And there is, look, no clear path whatsoever. So I don't know what it's like from the other side, but this is not going to take me anywhere along this track that I can see. So, well, it's nice being in this bit of wood anyway. Is it dinner time yet? No, it's only 11:21. Oh well. The only other plan therefore, I was thinking of going down to Atherstone and off home from there, but I decided to turn onto the Coleshill Road and see where this track emerged on the far side of the wood. Well, that seems a bit of short change really, so what I'm going to do, this is the Coleshill Road, I think, show you on the map, look, and this is where this path track comes out onto this road. So I think if I go back along here, I might be able to see where it supposedly merges onto the other road. A feature of this little road is this cottage. It's been redone, look. Because over that way you've got the Merivale estate, and I presume that is a sort of a gatehouse to one of the entrances. But my goodness, it's a bit busy here, but it's a very, very pretty road. Right, getting close to where this track emerges. This is it. Well, here I am at the other end of it. You know what? Let us explore. But how those two connect up, I've got no idea. Well, there we go. It is special. It's dead quiet. It's not really quiet. There's no resonance. It's just dead still. It's very dry, of course, but I don't hear any birds either, which is odd. Way in the distance, I could hear some chainsaws going, but they'll be a long way off because the sound of those travels a long, long way. But my goodness, yeah, it's a treat. Oh, just a little bird then. Right, what have I got? I bought herring roll. You know, you get it in a sort of a sweet vinegary marinade, and it's really nice with some onion bits in as well, and that'll last me over for 2 meals completely. So I had some yesterday, and now, but they can be a bit sticky. In fact, when I picked the pot up in the supermarket, it was sticky already because they put some sugar of some sort in it. But this is the fella, and I have to say I put some extra in because there's one bit extra. Look at that. Superb. Very nice. Also got I think it's a nectarine, a couple of fig biscuits, got my flask with cold water in it, and a couple of ice cubes, which on a day like today is very, very welcome. And coming into the woods is wonderful because it's shady as well. There's absolutely no one here. That is really, really special. I love it. Come on. Bon appetit. Oh well, I've got to sort of cut short now and go back home. Technical problems on the computer. But this is just absolutely wonderful. I've got as far as my fig biscuit, by the way. So, I have to say the seat is excellent. In a previous video, I was searching around for somewhere to sit, looking for a proper seat, like a park bench. Couldn't find one anyway, so I had to sit on the floor, which for somebody of my age and infirmity, not that I'm infirm, was not comfortable. But this is just the job. Really pleased with it. And I've worked out how to stash it on my bike as well. So, right, well, it's more of the same to go back home, to be honest. So, yeah, lovely. I'm going to turn the camera around so you can have a look to see what I'm looking at. Beautiful. Not only are the sort of fir trees over there, which are a bit ubiquitous, but there's oak trees here of various sorts. Absolutely beautiful. So thanks for watching, and you'll see me in the next one. Okay, bye bye.